Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. This morning we're going to do a little unboxing of a gift that I had recently. Autoglym Bodywork and Wheels. Now, will this make a nice Christmas present for someone that you love? Is your partner struggling to get you a present for Christmas? Well, maybe this is the one. Let's have a look inside and see. Really nicely packaged. Quite heavy as well. There we go. All those lovely British Autoglym products that we're used to. The first one is that all-important Bodywork Shampoo and Conditioner. The second one is the spray applicator for those lovely clean wheels. Removes the brake dust as well. Third one, extra gloss protection. Gives your paintwork a nice seal against the elements in the winter. Fourth one, some instant Tyre Dressing here with a spray applicator. The fifth one is a super Resin Polish, and I've had this many times. It's really good polish. I do like this. And last but not least, some spray on Wheel Protector, which keeps your wheels shining for longer. And if you would like one of these, or want to convince your partner that this is what you want for Christmas, we've put a link below for you where you can go directly to the product on sale at Amazon. Stay safe guys, and we'll catch you soon.